On August 19, 2017, a net pen at a fish farm near Cypress Island, Washington state, broke, accidentally releasing into the Pacific Ocean hundreds of thousands of non-native Atlantic salmon. The salmon farm was run by Cooke Aquaculture Pacific, LLC. According to the Washington State Department of Natural Resources, the inadequate cleaning of biofouling on the net pens containing the farmed salmon was likely the primary cause for the pen break. Prior to the incident, Washington was the only state on the Pacific coast where Atlantic salmon was farmed. Atlantic salmon are favored by salmon farmers since their domestication process is much farther along. Farmed Atlantic salmon have been selected for faster growth, higher tolerance to disease, and greater docility. The net pen was managed by Cooke Aquaculture, a Canadian company based in New Brunswick and one of the largest aquaculture companies in the world. It took over the Cypress Island aquafarms in 2016. The pen that was breached was a 10-cage salmon pen that contained 305,000 fish, placed in 2001. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.